Hi, and welcome to Mrs. Cotton Candy's Darling Life. Hello there, my darlings. I hope you're all doing well and having a lovely day. I'm so excited that you're here to join me today for a DIY. Finally, I'm going to do this mirror DIY. It's nothing new, and it's not my idea, but I saw it and I thought, oh my gosh, I want to see if I can do this. I saw one of the bigger YouTubers receive something like this as a gift, and somebody I think on Instagram or somewhere does them, and you can buy them or whatever, and I just thought, oh my god, that is so pretty and so awesome. So I grabbed this pink mirror at the Dollar Tree, the Canadian Dollar Tree, and they had this in pink and black and I think another color. So you just pick it up. It's just a handheld mirror, so. But what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be decorating the back of it. And I think my theme is going to be like tea time. So I'm just going to show you some of the things that I'm going to be using. I've already shared all these like little resin pieces with you that I got from Wish. I'm going to be using some, hopefully, like some of the little cakes here, the macaroon and little candies and things like that. I probably won't use all of them. But they also have some ice cream there. And I also got this. at the Dollar Tree. It's the tea times play set. And I was thinking I'm using this and maybe one or two of the teacups and saucers possibly. So yes, I'm going to use that. And then also I think I'm going to be using, it's a tea time theme, so like some pearls. And I have these pearls. These ones I got at the Dollarama. These ones I got thrifting. They're kind of like a peachy kind of color. So I'm going to use those. I also got these bracelets from the Dollar Tree. And they're just like little, they're a bracelet, but you can take these off. And I thought, I don't know, I might use those or I might save them to do another one if this works out. And then I have these as well. And these are all, well, these ones here, the glittery ones, are from the Canadian Dollar Tree. And then I got these in a grab bag, and they're just little gems, both of them from Michael's. Also, I'm going to probably use this glitter for here. I'm going to put glitter down. And I guess maybe I'm going to try some Mod Podge. And then I think I'm going to try using my glue gun for this. I had seen somebody on YouTube do one of these mirrors, and they used like, I don't know if it was like caulking or something. I can't remember, and I couldn't find the video anymore. So I'm just going to try to use it with my glue gun, and hopefully everything will stay. So those are kind of some of the things you'll need if you want to try to do this DIY. But you can do anything theme you want, anything like that. So I'm just going to get right into it, and I'll try to do step by step with you. I also have these kind of gems here and some more pearls, and then these stickers from Dollar Tree. I was thinking either maybe using this one that says tea or this one that says tea time. Well, my darlings, I've already messed up, as you can already tell, putting the sprinkles, putting the glitter on. I should have just left it the one coat. I was trying to do more coats, and now this is the mess. This is the mess I've got going on. But hopefully it's still work out, because I am going to be putting more things on here. But that was the first step, I guess, and it was a complete fail. I should have just left it at just the one layer of glitter, because it wasn't like this. It wasn't all blotchy. So there you have it, my darlings. My tea time candy cake decorated DIY mirror. This is my first one I've ever done, and I'm so excited. I'm happy with it, and this was a lot of fun to do. It does take some time though, but anybody can do this. And like I said before, it's not my idea. It's nothing new, but I saw, like I said, I saw a big YouTuber receive one from somebody, and it was just done so well. Obviously, I mean, I still have to, this isn't probably the best or anything like that, but for me, I'm just so excited, thrilled that that I was able to do this tea time candy cake mirror, decorated up, and maybe I'll try some different ones in the future. And just one tip, I did use a glue gun for this. I wouldn't use a glue gun again for this project. It has too many of those like the glue flyaways. So anyways, I was so excited for this, and I'm just loving it. So now I'll be able to use that in my beauty room. Yes. And it's a Dollar Tree mirror. And this, the teacups and teapot they're from the Dollar Tree as well. And then the other like little candies and things like that I got from Wish. So, and the little tea time sticker from Dollar Tree as well. So thank you so much, my darlings. Let me know if you try to do one. I'd love to hear. And remember what I always say, believe in yourself. I believe in you, and you truly will go far. Toodaloo for now. Thank you so much for watching and being with me here today. Toodles! Toodaloo!